I want to show you how to add multiple pop-ups to your pop-up builder. Here I am on my configuration page, and as you can see, I've added my Pinterest pop-up, and if I preview it, you can see it right here. So if I also want to add Instagram, I go here and I click Instagram. I connect to my account like this, and this is what my Instagram pop-up will look like. So now you can see I've got in my pop-up builder my Pinterest pop-up and my Instagram pop-up. Now the way it works in this configuration is everybody who comes to my site on their first visit will see my Pinterest pop-up. Then when they come to my site again on their second visit, after the pop-up has gone to sleep for the number of days I've set it, they will see the Instagram pop-up. Now, if I want to put the Instagram pop-up in first position, I just click this. Now, everybody who comes to my site on their first visit will see the Instagram pop-up, and then on their second visit will see the Pinterest pop-up. Now, you have to remember that most of your traffic is one time. So people are going to see your Instagram pop-up in this configuration much more than they're going to see your Pinterest pop-up. But there are some advanced settings that I want to show you. So I've got my pop-up position, but then this is how long my pop-up is going to sleep. So it's 7 days. I'm going to actually reduce that to 3 days. So after 3 days, if somebody comes back, they'll see my second pop-up. But if I want them to show the same number of times, I can click this button, which will randomize the order. This way, when I'm back here, 50% of my first-time visitors will see my Instagram pop-up, 50% of my visitors will see my Pinterest pop-up, and that's how I can set it up to get people in front of both pop-ups. Now, I don't need to reinstall MiloTree. Once I've installed it, it knows how to optimize it. It knows to show right now in this configuration 50% of the people the Instagram, 50% of the people the Pinterest. If I just want to show one pop-up like this, I can just delete the other one, or I can continue to stack them. And then if left in this configuration, everybody will see Pinterest on their first visit, then maybe Instagram on their second visit, YouTube on their third visit, or I can randomize it so that it would be a third. So let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me at Jillian@milotree.com.